If you're seeing Gmail error 6922, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll start with the quickest test, then move on to browser extensions, and finally clear your cache and cookies if needed. This is a safe, beginner-friendly troubleshooting guide, and by the end, you should know exactly what to try to get Gmail working again. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and use Incognito or private mode. On most browsers, you can click the 3 dots menu in the top corner, then choose New Incognito window or New Private window. This opens a clean browser session without using your usual saved cookies and browser data. Once the private window opens, go to https://mail.google.com and sign into your Gmail account. Now check whether Gmail loads properly and whether the error 6922 is gone. This step is important because if Gmail works in incognito mode, that usually means the issue is related to your browser settings, cookies, cache, or an extension rather than your Google account itself. If Gmail still has problems, don't panic. The next step is to disable browser extensions. Go back to your normal browser window, click the 3 dots menu again, then open extensions and choose Manage Extensions. You'll see a list of all the add-ons installed in your browser. Start turning them off one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or any extension that modifies web pages. After disabling one extension, refresh Gmail and test it again. If the error disappears, you've found the cause. If not, turn that extension back off and continue checking the others until Gmail works normally. This step matters because extensions can interfere with Gmail loading correctly, blocking scripts, or breaking sign-in features without you realizing it. If disabling extensions doesn't solve it, the final step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Click the 3 dots menu once more, then go to Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. Then click Clear Data. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and go back to Gmail. Sign in again and check if the error is gone. Clearing cache and cookies forces your browser to reload Gmail with fresh data, which often fixes login glitches, broken sessions, and loading errors like 6922. So to quickly recap, first try Gmail in incognito mode, then disable extensions one at a time, and finally clear your cache and cookies if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will resolve the issue. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you still need help with Gmail error 6922. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.